What's going on, BullyBrand fans? Just wanted to show you our new GoPro Hero 5 billet case. We've got it anodized in a nice blue here, all stainless hardware. This new case uses the Hero 3 glass lens, so you got a protective lens. You can change that out. Show you the inside here. Take out the two thumb screws. There's the cavity. Nice aluminum. We O-ringed the back of this case. This is an open back, so you get full access to your screen. This O-ring is what squeezes on your camera, so you're not going to crack its glass or anything crazy like that. Get a camera here. Drop it in. There's a good testament to the fit. Not going to fall out on you. Fits nice. And there's that O-ring. It does have a clamshell piece, so it all lines up nice. Get the thumb screws nice and tight. Get that O-ring to engage. Full access to all your buttons still. This will work with a stock GoPro plastic mount, but I don't know why you'd use one of those when we sell the aluminum ones. There's your power button. Get your camera turned on. You got all your all your views, all your touchscreen compatibility on the back. The one thing is, most of these will be used on race cars, is what we do with them. So when you're going 100 miles an hour, you don't want to put the back forward. We may come up with some kind of cover for that, but then you wouldn't have your touchscreen capability. But everything still works. Nice and protected in there. Check out our our Facebook and our YouTube, and we have footage of one of our R&D units taking a rock straight to the lens and surviving, continuing to film. So check us out.